Irresistible pecan coffee cake recipe, easy and delicious. Hey there, foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat for you, a mouthwatering pecan coffee cake recipe that's perfect for those cozy mornings or afternoon tea breaks. This cake is loaded with rich flavors, a cinnamon-infused crumb, and a generous topping of crunchy pecans. So, let's dive right into the baking magic. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the cinnamon swirl, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon. For the pecan topping, 1 cup chopped pecans, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted. Instructions: Free ebook, Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description, https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee lover. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with butter or cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream, until a smooth batter forms. Mix well, but be careful not to overmix. For the cinnamon swirl, in a small bowl, mix the brown sugar and ground cinnamon until well combined. Pour half of the cake batter into the greased baking pan, spreading it out evenly. Sprinkle the cinnamon swirl mixture over the batter layer. Carefully spread the remaining cake batter over the cinnamon swirl layer, covering it completely. Now, prepare the pecan topping by mixing the chopped pecans, granulated sugar, and melted butter in a bowl. Sprinkle the pecan topping evenly over the cake batter. Bake the pecan coffee cake in the preheated oven for 35–40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. Slice the cake into squares or desired portions and serve warm. There you have it, a delectable pecan coffee cake that's sure to impress your family and friends. The blend of cinnamon, pecans, and moist cake creates a truly indulgent experience. So why not treat yourself to this delightful goodness? If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy baking!
Cat Fall Pumpkin, the perfect accessory for your feline friend this autumn. This adorable pumpkin-shaped scarf is adorned with vibrant fall leaves and a charming tree design. The soft, cozy fabric will keep your cat warm and stylish during those chilly walks. With its cheerful yellow umbrella pattern, It's a delightful addition to any cat's wardrobe. Treat your furry companion to a touch of seasonal flair with the cat fall pumpkin.